afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 993rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and that would be me. Traders, this video tonight being filmed on Monday night, on Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday, March 13th. 2013. There's a lot of threes up there today. 993, 03, 13, 13. Is there some Omni going on here? Some Omen? Traders, before we get into this video, you must know that futures trading can be extremely risky and cause substantial financial loss. Futures trading is not suitable for all trading accounts, and you can lose your shirt in this game if you don't know what you're doing. Always place stops. Always place stops first. A stop can certainly be your best friend in this business. Now, let me go on record right now before I say another word. Traders, I hate this call tonight. I hate this Omni call, but I never interfere with the Omni. Just let it be known that I dislike this call, but it's meaningless because that's the little man in the back of my head that needs to be told shut up all the time because the charts know what they're doing. So Omni comes up with this red arrow for NASDAQ, for ES, for Russell, and absolutely for Apple. Apple looks horrible. Big bear flag. Watch out, here comes 260 at some point. In any event, let's look at the reason why. Omni pulls a red Omni, and Omni pulls a red arrow, and I got to figure out why. We've been green Omni, green Omni, green Omni, straight through this mess. We're in an F flag. Why am I getting a red Omni? Well, I had to go find out, of course. And the only thing I can say after doing the research is a flat top is a flat top is a flat top. And we know that flat tops produce market drops, right? And I'm going to show you that. So, do not fall in love with the downside. Do not feel comfortable shorting this market. This is a bull market. We have a bearish call for Wednesday. I don't love that even slightly. In fact, at this juncture, I'd prefer to not take the bearish signals, but you know, that's kind of interfering too, isn't it? What if this is the first day of a major down move? So why don't we just take the signals as they come out and not worry about what we think? That's what analysis is, right? It's got nothing to do with our opinions. That's what I love about analysis. My opinion is we continue to go up on Wednesday. The analysis says we are in for a breather and that a flat top is a flat top and flat tops produce market drops. That is an Oscarism, I know, but we've all been shown that it works. I'll show you that in the chart segment momentarily. Traders, gold in a relief rally. Expect a little bit more on Wednesday. Soybeans looking bearish in a big bear flag. Very much like you have your Apple in a big bear flag. Looks like it's about to break. So does your soybeans. Gold looks like it needs at least another day up. And we have the red light suddenly out of nowhere for trading on Wednesday in U.S. indices. Traders, I'm going to show you some charts now. I think in these charts you will recognize that a flat top is a flat top. There's not much I can do about it but call the flat top. That gold is looking like it's in a relief rally, and soybeans are bearish. Traders, know this. We give out recommendations, exact places of buying, selling, where to place your protective stop, which always goes in first, and where the profit objective is expected. Come on down to livewithoscar.com and don't trade alone. It's very difficult to figure this stuff out. You're sitting at your computer, the news is coming in, you got quotes coming in from every direction, you're looking at charts. Very hard to get that right sitting alone. Come on down and join us. There's an army of Omniacs that come to our trading room every day. The room is free. Don't trade alone. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, flat tops produce market drops, and a flat top is a flat top is a flat top. Now, I get it that that's a bull flag. I get it. But it's also a flat top, and I have to respect it because my Omni gave us a red Omni for trading on Wednesday. So the first thing I did was go look for why in the flat top is one of the things I found that I thought I'd show you. Now, should we be worried about this flat top? I don't think so, because if it comes off tomorrow, I'm going to be so quick to get us out of this trade that it's going to be like lightning, nimble, 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 because I hate this call. But I think the call is going to be right, and here's why. Traders, take a look at this chart. This is wonderful. This is the emini S&P daily bar chart, the one we love to trade. In each instance of a flat top, you had at least 1 day's drop. 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 At least 1 day. And why not? Right? Why not 1 day? Because that's what seems to happen when you get these flat tops. So if this is one, and it sure is one as of this moment in time, you have to call it. But I tell you what, traders, we're in a nice F flag right here. So calling that flat top is really ugly. But hey, I don't interfere with the Omni. The Omni pointed this way. There's one of our reasons why I thought I'd present that to you. Remember, flat tops produce market drops, and look at the proof. In each instance, there was at least a 1 day drop. Remember, we are day traders. We're looking for 1 day's trade. Let's see what it brings. May soybeans, big bear flag. I think we break the bear flag and continue lower. This is starting to look toppy. And we've been up here many times, and we usually come back off once we get up here, right? It's not perfect, but look at this area. Doesn't seem to be able to get above it. And the bear flag gets formed when you get up to it. I say it's a wave of resistance, and likelihood is the bear flag will produce fruit. Now, let's look at the gold. Traders, gold, a little relief rally expected. I am not looking for anything major because we've been in a bear market. But there has been a lot of selling, and a bunch of new sellers, I think, got into this market. And we just bounced off the low of this channel. And we just broke above the blue channel. So, you got to look at that and say, okay. And, of course, Omni's indicator is pointing up. So you got to look at least 2 days in gold on the upside. One yesterday, maybe one will present itself on Wednesday. So there's your gold. You've seen the flat tops. We know flat tops produce market drops. Let's see what we get. Traders, pull your own charts. Do your own homework. Never, ever, ever take anybody's trade or advice without doing your own homework first. So, traders, you've seen the charts, and there is my technical argument for why we have the red Omni. Now, it looks pretty clear in Apple. The ES, NASDAQ, Russell calling that flat top. Put your stops in. Put your stops in on this trade, okay? Make sure you agree with this trade, because I don't like it for a moment. But I'm just kidding, traders. The Omni is really good at what it does. When Omni says up, we go up. When it says down, we go down. I just happen to be in a moment of time where I expected 3 or 4 more up days, so I'm kind of baffled at this downward call. But hey, flat tops will give us a 1 day downward move. That might be all we need. Let's see. We'll take it 1 day at a time. Traders, gold has been in the bear market. Watch out when it does go up, though. It is vicious. It is expensive. The stops need to be large. Be careful in gold. And soybeans are soybeans. Look at the flag. See if you agree. Find the place to get in, or come to livewithoscar.com and allow us to show you where you should or shouldn't get in. Traders, I want to give away a shirt tomorrow. You can throw it, sir. You can throw that. I want to give away a shirt tomorrow at the site. Please come on down to livewithoscar.com and win your Omni t-shirt. The front is the Omni logo. The back is our motto. Stops are in, emotions are out, and there's the site for you. We give out one of these just about every day, so make sure you come on down to livewithoscar.com and win yourselves a free t-shirt. We give them out in the chat room. All right, traders, that's it. I'm out of here. I want to go check out the markets and get ready for what's coming at us later. I'll see you in the chat room. Remember, always keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, and don't forget, a flat top is a flat top is a flat top. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.